At Champion Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, part of Cole Memorial Hospital located in Coudersport, Pennsylvania, we have a highly innovative joint replacement program that offers you a chance to return to your active, pain-free lifestyle. At our Joint Replacement Center, we make it our priority to provide you with the most effective, least invasive surgery available. Our joint replacement program has received the Highmark Blue Distinction Center Award, making us the only designated joint replacement center around.
My regular household duties and walking, going to the grocery store, it was terrible. I can tolerate pain, and I didn't realize that it was that bad. You know, that I was in that much pain. My hips now, I wouldn't even be able to compare them to what they were because there was so much pain then, and now it's just like the surgery is like a miracle because I feel so wonderful.
Our team of board-certified orthopedic surgeons, Bradley Giannotti and Terrence Faust, are trained in the most advanced technology and state-of-the-art joint replacement procedures.
Even though we're a smaller community, we still offer state-of-the-art techniques as far as arthroscopic ligamentous reconstruction, minimally invasive surgery, joint reconstruction procedures, and add that personal touch, that one-on-one care that a lot of places don't have.
We understand that each patient requires an individualized approach to joint replacement. Our customized care plans are focused on you and your unique situation. Each joint replacement procedure is modified to meet your goals and needs.
When you come to Champion as a patient, you should expect to receive top-notch orthopedic care. We have a great group of providers here that are very well trained. We take the time and spend time with you to help decide what the problem is and how we need to go about getting you better and getting you back to your normal functioning. We want to make sure that your pain is controlled and that we set you on a course for success so that you can resume your normal activities or your sporting activities as quickly as possible.
At Champion, we understand that joint replacement surgery is a big decision, which is why from your first appointment with us to the last, we are dedicated to providing you exceptional, caring, and supportive service. Our joint replacement program has above-average outcomes, helping more and more patients regain their lives.
As a young man, I was involved in sports and had back surgery at an early age, subsequent knee surgery. And I think it was those events that led to my passion to be an orthopedic surgeon and ultimately gave me the empathy to understand what those patients are going through.
From the minute you walk through the door, know that Champion Orthopedics is here to answer all of your questions and walk you step by step through the entire joint replacement process. At your first appointment, we'll ask you about your medical history and current concerns, so our team can create a recommended care plan for you and your surgical procedure. There are many benefits to knee replacement surgery. By deciding to move forward with the recommended surgical procedure, you are on your way to the reduction or elimination of pain. Knee replacement surgery restores lost range of motion in your joint and will allow you to return to many of your normal activities. On the day of the surgery, you will be on bed rest and given a spinal anesthesia. During the procedure, your knee is moved into a bent position where the surgeon will make a 6 to 10 inch incision. Once all the joint surfaces are prepared, the surgeon will attach the artificial joint and test it to make sure everything is working properly before closing the incision. After surgery, you are wheeled to a recovery room for approximately 1 hour. A CPM, or continuous passive motion machine, will be placed on your leg after knee surgery for 1 hour. Then you will get up and begin to ambulate your leg. It's important during those first few weeks after surgery to follow all of your surgeon's instructions for care, diet, and exercise. Whether you have a partial or total knee, hip, or shoulder replacement, joint surgery is a major event. You should expect to be homebound for the first 2 to 3 weeks after surgery. You'll likely need some assistance getting dressed, preparing food, changing your bandages, and moving around. Recovery requires a commitment to weeks of post-surgery rehabilitation and exercise to regain muscle strength, range of motion, and good mobility. At Champion Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, our care doesn't just end after your surgery. We're dedicated to seeing you all the way through your recovery process. Our facilities include a highly skilled staff of physical and occupational therapists who will create a unique program for your recovery to help you regain strength and motion in your joint.
In March, I was rear-ended by a car, had a head concussion and also had a severe injury to my back. Through a series of different medical consultations and going around the different medical practices seeking treatment, I felt the most secure call with Champion Orthopedics. After surgery, I was able to golf again, I was able to run again, I was able to work again, I was able to do work around the house again. Basically, I tell people I'm like a new man.
With our joint replacement program at Champion Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, know that we are dedicated to the success of each and every one of our patients. Call today to set up an appointment or stop into one of our 4 locations to learn more about how joint replacement surgery could help you get back to living a life that you love without the joint pain. Champion Orthopedics and Sports Medicine at Cole Memorial Hospital, dedicated to your success and recovery.